Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice in Messenger call. So if you want to sound different during a Messenger call and this beginner friendly guide, I'll show you how you can change your voice live, including switching from male to female voice or vice versa in just a few taps. So the first step that you need to do is just download a voice changer app. Here you can start by going to the Play Store or App Store and download a voice changer app. So some popular ones are Magic Mic, Voice Changer with Effects, or Voice Effects. So install the one with good reviews and real-time call features. So here, let's say I'm going to find the Magic Mic. Okay, you can see there are lots of the voice changer effects that you can select it. I think I'm going to just go with the one with a higher rating in here. This one, you can install it first on your device. Okay, so after installing, you can just open the app and don't forget to give it microphone and overlay permission so it can work during messenger calls. Okay, it's still installing. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, let's open the app. Here, allow permissions, and then you can now just click on the microphone icon, and here click on only you can just give permissions, and then you can just start talking here, and then you can click on stop and choose the voice effect that you want from here. And in additional, if you are on Android, you might need to also set the app as your audio input source in settings, because some apps handle this automatically. And then you can now just open the messenger, go back to the messenger app, and then start the call. So you can just switch to the voice changer app and then select your desired voice, like maybe male or female, robot or alien, and it will modify your voice in real time. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can change your voice in a messenger call. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.